mga ka-organic. Ito po, kasama natin mga ka-organic. I have a YouTube page. Yeah, I have a YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. I teach how to do permaculture and organic. Yeah. So they are my mentors. Yeah, on natural builders. So we have some Espanol. Viva Espanol.
No.
This is Kuya Mau. Hello guys. So ano pa tayo ngayon mga ka-organic, mag-exercise muna tayo. Kasi ito talaga yung una naming ginagawa sa umaga. Nag-exercise kami mga ka-organic. So ito mga ka-organic yung lugar. That's the Mount Erie mga ka-organic. Yeah, we have the participant from Spain. Hello mga ka-organic. Ito po si Simon. Hello mga ka-organic. Yes, we are the participants. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog. Hello mga ka-organic. We are the natural builders participant here in Palawan, Puerto Princesa. So we're doing a morning routine where we do exercise first before we go to our workshop place. So we have a different profession here to join us. So we have our old classmate also from the Batangas workshop. That's architect Nina. Yes. And other May and my old classmate. So mga ka-organic, sa susunod na lang po ulit. Ayan mga ka-organic. Lalaro tayo mamaya mga ka-organic. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, 12, 13, dapat 14. Oh, wait lang tayo mga ka-organic. Ito si Simon, kasama natin ni Ganyan. Psychedelic trip. Residente yan dito sa Maya. Ano yan? Mayaman. Silent yan. Ano lang siya, sign language. So mga ka-organic, ganito lang po tayo tuwing umaga. So kailangan po natin mag-exercise para po sa ikagaganda po ng ating breathing. Saka yung ating dugo po ay magising po sa umaga. So bago po kami magsimula doon, ganito po talaga yung routine. So sobrang saya. Nasa lugar ka na sobrang payapa, walang noise pollution, healing galing. Meron din po tayong ganitong place na lalabas sa Amadeo mga ka-organic. Ang tawag po namin doon ay Damapala. Kanapala po pala, Kanapala, sorry. Yung Damapala po pala ay sa Chaong, Quezon yun mga ka-organic. So kami po nila nung pinaplano po namin na magkaroon din po ng ganun mga ka-organic. Kanapala. Donasyon lang, libre ang lahat.
Mountain na may river. Tulad dito na may bababa ka.
Actually, gusto ko sa tabi ng river. Gusto lang delikado din.
May elevated river, pero may elevated na area dun sa magbahay sa elevated. Pero accessible.
Dagat.
Malagkit. Yun.
Organic, babain na natin yung ating bigote.
Yung corrosion sa mga gamit.
Protection sa mga langgam.
Yung dalat ng mga dahil maintenance ito kasi ang hangin ng mga aso.
Ko nga lang, nalaman sa first week. Kaya pala
Hindi nyo napatawa ko po si Simon ngayong umaga. Diba? Masaya po dito mga ka-organic, sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang sarap. First time lang po kami nag-meet niyo ni Simon, pero parang matagal na kami magkakilala niya, no? Ayan, magsisircle na kami mga ka-organic.
So we're just gonna do some sunbathing for maybe 5-10 minutes. Sabi mo. Ikot tayo. Closer. Hello, good morning. Let's just do some personal introduction siguro. Let's just before, but then we're waiting for Italy to introduce the place, supposed to be, but maybe after, when she arrives, she will introduce Maya for the people, the first time who actually arrived at India. But let's just mention our name, a little background, where we're from, what are we doing, what's our interest in natural building or natural finishes, so I know like what's your expectation. Just that, like keep it short, and then after that we will do a game to actually warm up before we go to the lecture. So I'll start. I'm Ala. Sa mga nandito kahapon, for the people here, they already know me. But for the new people, I'm Ala. I'm from Ifugao, so I'm from the Cordilleras, and I'm an engineer, but my passion is permaculture and natural building. And I'll be teaching you for 3 days. Maybe the reason why I'm here, I will actually say in the lecture the journey that how I discovered natural building and natural plastering. That's it.
Hi, I'm Pat. I'm from Paranaque, so city, and I work with food. So I'm a dietitian turned farmer. My interest in natural building is to apply it in our farm. So I'll be assisting Ala in this course. And yeah, hello. Hello everyone, I'm Christina. I'm from Spain, living here in Maya already 1 year and a half. I came here because of the inner dance, that this kind of therapy that we are doing here in Maya. But also I met Pat and Ala, this is the 4th time here in Maya, so I am learning from them how to make this natural building. For helping also to construct the school in Barangan, in Bakungan. And yeah, to learn everything that I can. Thank you for coming here.
Hello, I'm May. I live in Mandaluyong, but I was born in Valenzuela. So I just flew early this morning. That's why I'm quite sleepy.
Si Wala po mga ka-organic ng gawa.